Hi guys, my name is Michael and this is channel not just for the PS Vita fans. Welcome! In today's video I'm looking at the recently released modification for the PS Vita port of GTA 3. This mod restores and improves some of the things that are missing in different versions of the game. I guess in this case it is the original RE3 version of the game. And I'll be first going through the setup process that is indeed pretty straightforward. Then I'm quickly checking the changelog. And last but not least, we'll be comparing both versions side by side. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. This modification was published at the PG book website. You can find the link for it down below. PG is the largest community for the PS Vita and PSP in Russia, and it contains fan-made modifications of homebrew and various games on PS Vita. This GTA 3 mod involves the work and endeavors of many authors, including exclusive ones from the PG team. So this way I would like to dedicate a huge thanks to all the PS Vita enthusiasts over at Russia. You are doing amazing work over there. Keep it up, it's greatly appreciated. Now to the installation process. First and foremost, you must install the latest release of the GTA 3, in this case version 1.4, in order for the modification to function properly. Then you need to download files from the link, extract it, replace the original files in your GTA 3 folder, delete the txd.image and the txd.dir from the models folder, and in the last step you need to install new VPK. And that's it, now you just enjoy it and have some fun. Let's move on to the changelog. That means all the things that have been altered or enhanced in one way or another. There was quite a lot of it, and I won't be covering it all in here. If you are interested in it, please go and take a look at it, it's quite a good read. I'm looking just at the most exciting changes, and let's begin with the sounds category. Sound effects cut from the PS2 version and the game's beta have been re-implemented, like the ambient sound for Chinatown Market and for docks and coasts, etc. There were also added removed radio tracks and ads from PS2 version. The sounds are as important as graphics for the proper experience in my opinion, so I'm glad we have received this top tier audio treatment. Now to the graphics and HUD alterations. There were added new HD weapon icons, new loading screens, new main menu, new map, among many others. Next to the general graphics. There were added new interiors, reworked and manually optimized textures from the Xbox version of the GTA 3, which is the graphically most impressive one. New optimized HD textures, blood, moon, grass, tire burnout marks. And then we have other improvements and fixes like new design for the live screen area, new manual, and my favorite one, fixed vehicle durability, plus 30%. Which is really helpful as it was excessively easy to blow up the car, at least for me. Okay, that would be enough from the changelog, and now let's compare both versions side by side. First of all, I want to mention it is really tricky to spot the difference with my own eyes, but it is even trickier when I want to show it to you via camera lens. It is almost impossible, so if you want to really compare it side by side, you should do it like myself, install it on a second Vita and use your own senses. However, if you are not bothered, then just listen to my findings. There were many features and textures added in this mod, but none of it was focused on the performance of the game itself. So my biggest fear was that it would be somehow slowing the game down and the performance would be worse. However, fortunately, that was just my mistaken assumption and none of this holds true. The performance is exactly the same, and all I can see is that overall enjoyability of the game has increased dramatically. The added ambient sounds and radio tracks, and ads, new loading screens, optimized textures, the durability of the cars. All of these features are really beneficial for the overall look and feel of the game, and it brings it yet another step closer to the ultimate GTA 3 PS Vita experience. It is as faithful as it has ever been, therefore my advice for all the GTA zealots out there is go ahead and install it, it's obviously absolutely worth it. The files are about 1 GB in size, and after the install the GTA folder is about 2.8 GB large, so it is more than doable. and I cannot see any reason why any GTA fan would not want to get it. Come on guys, what are you waiting for? Kickstart your eagerness and click the link to download it. And if you are hesitant about clicking some links from shady Russian websites, you don't need to be. These are PS Vita enthusiasts. That means they are on our side. That's the good side, not dark side. But anyway, I always try to make backups of all the important PS Vita stuff on my hard drives and cloud, so you can also find the G Drive link on our Discord server. Link is down below. And what do you think about this new GTA free mod, guys? Is it worth it? Let me know your thoughts down below. One more time, I would like to send a huge thanks over to all of the hardworking developers that were involved, and I'm looking forward to all of your upcoming projects. Вы делаете очень хорошую работу, братья. Большое спасибо. Sorry, but my Russian isn't what it used to be. We are coming to the part of the video where I tell you, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other PS Vita enthusiasts. It means a lot to me and to the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to check out our Discord server and follow me on social media. You can now also buy me coffee. All the links are down below. Sub to the channel means you most likely won't miss upcoming content. There are videos coming roughly once a week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.